Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make this amazing, soft, light and fluffy dinner bread rolls. This is very easy to make and turn out delicious, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Let's get started. In the mixing bowl, I added in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm. I then added in sugar, dry active yeast, and stir those ingredients together till well combined. Once everything has come together, I added in flour. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So after the flour, I added in powdered milk as well and salt. My camera didn't capture the salt, so please bear in mind the last ingredient that you have to add to it is salt. Mix everything with your spatula or with a wooden spoon till well combined. Cover it with a cling film and let it sit for at least 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take off the cling film and add in softened butter. So I'll go ahead and mix it, and then once the butter has mixed well with the dough, I'll knead it for about 5 to 8 minutes. Have time for the dough. Play with it and make sure the dough is stretchy, because if it is, at the end you're going to get a great result. So this is what you're looking for. If you press and it's bounced back, that means you're at the right point. After, I place it back in the bowl, covered it with a cling film and put it in the warm place to double in size. So once it has doubled in size, I'll deflate the dough and transfer it on my work surface. At this point, you do not want to add in any flour again. Just go ahead and divide it into smaller pieces, around 35 to 40 grams each. So first I divided mine into 2 equal parts, then 4, 8 and then 16. So it should be around 35 to 40 grams each. When done, bring one of the dough, roll it in a ball shape on your work surface or on your palm, and then cover it with a cling film and let it rest for at least 20 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes should be fine. So after 20 minutes, go ahead and bring one at a time, remold it again in the ball shape to make sure it's very smooth, and then arrange it on your baking tray or on your baking pan. This is what you're looking for. I'll cover it again and let it double in size before baking these bad boys. Once it has doubled in size, I'll brush the top with milk, just milk, not egg wash, just milk. I'll brush the top with milk and then bake these bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 15 to 20 minutes. And look at this, guys. This turned out so delicious. It's very easy to make and it's yummicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, because it's definitely a must-try recipe. It turned out so delicious. It is light, it is fluffy, and guys, you're going to love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is amazing. It's delicious. It's beautiful. Not just beautiful, but amazing and delicious. It took no time. You don't have to waste much time. Just roll the dough and let it sit, and you're ready or you're good to go. Try it. Let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Enjoy the rest of the video. And guys, just try this with the butter or with the margarine. So delicious. Bye bye.